Frustrated by faded, unreliable prints? Every day, toner dust and inconsistent quality leave you feeling disappointed and overwhelmed. Traditional toners fail to deliver the reliability you deserve. You're not alone in your struggle with messy prints and uncertain performance. Now, imagine a solution built with precision and care. Introducing Smartfix by LankaFIX, Sri Lanka's first QR-verified premium toner. Smartfix addresses every frustration, offering unmatched quality and dependable performance that transforms your printing experience. Engineered for excellence, each Smartfix cartridge undergoes rigorous testing for accurate page yield, verified toner weight, and exceptional print quality. It meets strict safety standards, proudly displaying its ISO certification. No leaks, no smudges, and absolutely no compromise. But Smartfix is not just premium quality, it's innovation in your hands. A built-in smart QR code lets you instantly verify authenticity, activate warranty support, and request free defect returns. Enjoy a guaranteed 5-day replacement and real-time tracking that keep you in control. This breakthrough toner is perfect for home projects, small businesses, and busy offices alike. It offers reliability in every print, helping you tackle everyday challenges with confidence. For the first 1,000 customers, exclusive launch offers and irresistible deals await. Don't miss this limited-time opportunity to upgrade your printing experience. Smartfix, premium compatible, QR verified, courier backed, powered by LankaFIX. Visit lankafix.com or call 0770440004 to experience smarter printing. Upgrade to Smartfix today for a revolutionized printing future that delivers trust, innovation, and guaranteed satisfaction. Print smarter, choose Smartfix.